Hey guys, and welcome. If you're trying to send a larger payment, order a cash card, or buy some Bitcoin on Cash App, you probably run into the identity check block. So verifying your account is super easy, and it's the only way to unlock your account's full potential. So if you don't verify, Cash App caps your balance at strict $1,000 and limits your sending and receiving to just $1,000 per month. By verifying your identity, you unlock unlimited balance limits, the ability to order a physical cash card, invest in stocks, and fully secure your accounts. Also guys, before you start, make sure that you are at least 18 years old. You'll need 3 main details ready to go: your legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN. In some cases, Cash App might also check for your full SSN, physical address, and a photo of government-issued ID. And to start, open up your Cash App and tap on the profile icon. Then scroll down until you find the Security and Privacy. From there, scroll down to the Identity Verification section and tap Verify. Cash App will first ask you to confirm your legal name, date of birth, and your SSN. Also, pro tip, if the app requests extra verification, you'll be prompted to take a clear, well-lit photo of your driver's license or passport, followed by a quick selfie. Make sure you aren't wearing a hat or glasses, and use natural lighting so the system can instantly match your face to your ID. Once you submit everything, the process typically takes around 24 to 48 hours to complete. Enjoy. If this helps, subscribe.